my sister, Amosa Fisayo Ojeleke. Your birthday is here again. On behalf of the entire family, I rejoice with you. I celebrate you. I pray for you. May God continue to grant you long, healthy, and prosperous years. We love you. We celebrate you. We rejoice with you. Ìgbà ọdún kan ṣoṣo ni. May God continue to grant your prayers. May all your ardent desires come to pass. May all your lofty dreams be accomplished. Congratulations, my sister. Ojeleke Fisayo. Ìgbà ọdún kan ṣoṣo. Have a fantastic birthday celebration. Enjoy your day.